LinkedIn was launched in 2003 and has been consistently growing ever since. It has become massive, with around 600 million users and counting. It's constantly changing, so now, more than ever, it's already not enough just having a LinkedIn profile. Now it's more about knowing how to make your LinkedIn profile stand out, how to make the most of it, and how to make it useful for your career. I'm Marat from EMMOTION, human resources consulting agency. I've worked in recruitment for over 10 years and I've used LinkedIn nearly from the start, both as a candidate and as a recruiter. As a candidate, I was approached through LinkedIn by a fellow recruiter to work for one of the world's largest fashion retail groups. And as a hiring manager, I networked with and hired hundreds of experienced professionals from around the globe. So these are my 7 tips to make your LinkedIn profile stand out, to instantly get noticed by recruiters and hiring managers, and not waste any of your time on it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then definitely hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you will get notified each time I upload fresh new content on professional and personal growth. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I have a special LinkedIn bonus tip on how to message to a LinkedIn member without being their first connection, which I'm sure you will appreciate. First tip is completing your profile. It might seem obvious, but more than 50% of the profiles on LinkedIn are not complete.
Let's continue on the laptop. Here is an example of an incomplete profile. The complete profile is called All-Star on LinkedIn and it will make you appear on the top of all the relevant profile searches. To find out your profile level, go to Me icon, check your profile. In your dashboard, which is private to you, you can see the level of your profile strength meter. Complete your profile until you reach All-Star level. To add your work experience, click on the plus sign. Add the title and then enter the company name, work tasks and duties. The same goes to adding education section. Add the title and then enter the university name. It's essential that your resume matches your LinkedIn profile because your potential future employers will check.
Tip number 2. Uploading a good picture. LinkedIn has reported that profiles with picture get 15 times more views and 8 times more connection requests than the profiles without picture. I can't stress enough the importance of a good quality picture on LinkedIn. What does that mean?
Your LinkedIn profile picture is one of the first things that the recruiters and hiring managers look at as soon as they look you up on LinkedIn. You want to have a photo which is recent and which is a high quality or high resolution if you prefer. You also want the photo to look professional, ideally smiling and looking into the camera. I have analyzed so many LinkedIn profiles, so I really do not recommend using family wedding pictures, selfies, pictures with animals, monuments, at the parties, or even pictures at the beach in a swimming suit. Yes, I have come across those too.
It might get you all types of attention, except for the one which LinkedIn profile platform is known for. So let's just leave this kind of photos for Facebook or Instagram.
Just as I said, well-lit, smiling and looking into the camera pictures are the best choice.
Number 3. A proper headline. To get started on the right direction on LinkedIn, you have to customize your headline.
Think of your headline as of a business card. It has to be clear. Having your job title and the industry is a must. By default, LinkedIn will place your most recent job title as your headline. You will have to go to your headline, press Edit button, customize it using words that define your profile and which would make it easier for others to find you. Include your specialty and avoid generic headlines. You have 120 characters available to make your headlines stand out.
Number 4. Making a consistent summary. Your summary should address who you are, who you help, collaborate, or provide services for.
There are 2,000 characters available for you to create your summary. Your summary can sum up your professional history, qualifications, and personality. It can also give viewers a clear idea of what they should do, accepting your connection request, recruiting you for a job opening, or reaching out to you for networking purposes. Your contact details, an email or phone number, or even both if you feel comfortable with it, should be on your profile. However, people outside of your network cannot see your contact details, so putting your email in your summary could be a good idea. It will make the contact with you faster during the time when you job search.
Number 5. Customize your LinkedIn URL and the background photo.
Customizing your URL on LinkedIn will help you to brand yourself. It also allows you to reference to your LinkedIn page easily on your resume, business cards, or other documents. To do this, click on Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click the Edit Public Profile and URL section. You will find the URL section on the top right corner. Keep it simple. It could be your name, your last name, or your business name. The background photo can be changed easily also with clicking on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn page. Click the Edit icon in your intro card. In the pop-up, click the Edit on the right top corner of your background photo. It even gives you a recommended size for your photo and how to place it. Consider having your company's logo and a short value pitch along with a photo that could represent your brand.
Tip number 6. Ask for recommendations. Many people seem to hesitate to ask for recommendations from their current or previous managers or colleagues, but these recommendations are a must.
Your profile is you talking about who you are and what you have done. The recommendations give you the opportunity to have others reinforce your claims. This is how you ask for a recommendation. Navigate to the profile of the first-degree connection you would like to request a recommendation from. Click on the More icon in the top section of the profile. Select Recommendation. Fill the relationship and position at the time of the recommendation pop-up window, and then click Next. You can include a personalized message with your request by changing the text in the message field. Click Send.
You don't need to ask for 10 recommendations at once. Go step by step. Choose carefully who you ask a recommendation from. Those should be people who you worked or collaborated with and who know you as a professional. Number 7. Add and manage your LinkedIn skills and endorsements. Adding specific skills on your LinkedIn profile is a great way to showcase your abilities to other members, to colleagues, managers, or even recruiters. They are a simple and effective way of building your professional brand and engaging with your network.
According to LinkedIn, members who list skills on their profiles receive 12 times more profile views on average than those who don't. If you don't have any skills listed on your profile, the Skills and Endorsement section won't appear. To add this section and a skill, click on Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage, View Profile, add a new profile section, select Skills from the drop-down. Type the name of a skill in a skill text box, select it from the list that appears. Once selected, it will automatically be added on your list of skills. When Skills and Endorsement section has been added to your profile, you can include more skills at any time. To add more skills, we'll have to do the same. Click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage, view profile, scroll to Skills and Endorsements, click Add New Skill. In the pop-up window, type the name of a skill in the text box and select it. If your skill doesn't appear, type the full skill name in the field provided and then click Add. These skills can be what you know how to do. For example, technical recruitment, social media management, data research, etc. Think about your endorsements as new and improved keywords. LinkedIn will automatically rank your skills by the number of endorsements you have. You will find out which specific skills you are best known for. They will rise to the top of the list. You also get a chance of having skills added in different languages you might use professionally.
Remember, endorsements are not anonymous. You are putting your name behind someone's ability to do something, helping them to shape their professional profile. And just as I promised, here it comes, the bonus LinkedIn tip. Join the LinkedIn groups. Aside from being a place for professionals with similar interests to share content, find answers, post jobs, you can also contact the member of the group for free without them being your first connection.
To browse groups recommended to you by LinkedIn, in the search bar at the top of your homepage, type keywords or group names of interest. Click Search. On the search results, choose the group you'd like. You can request membership by clicking Ask to Join button under the group description. Join the LinkedIn groups which correspond the most to your interests. They also help when you are interested in contacting someone who isn't your first connection. Check the groups this connection belongs to. Join the same group, and once you are accepted, you can send them your message. Note that there is a limit of 15 free messages per month, but it should be more than enough when used as an extra tool.
Thanks for staying with me till the end. Feel free to leave your feedback, questions, or comments. Make sure you start working on your LinkedIn profile starting from now and hit the subscribe button for more professional and personal growth.